Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app not showing code, promo QR display and scanner fix. Fix 1. Enable location services. On your iOS, you just have to navigate to setting on your device, select McDonald's from the list of apps. Then go to the location settings, choose the option while using the app. Then you have to enable precise location for accurate location services. On your Android, you have to open the phone setting, then select app from the menu. Find and tap on McDonald's in the app list. Then go to the permission settings, choose location permission, select allow while using the app. Fix 2. Sign out and sign back in. Open the McDonald's app and tap on more at the bottom of the screen. Select profile or scroll down to tap sign out option. Then you have to log back in using your registered email or social login. Fix 3. Clear app cache. On your Android, navigate to setting on your device, select apps from the menu. Then you have to find and tap on McDonald's in the app list. Then go to the storage and cache option, tap on clear cache to remove temporary files. On your iOS, you just have to navigate to settings on your iPhone, then select general from the menu and tap on iPhone storage. Find and select McDonald's from the list of apps. You just have to tap on offload to free up storage space. Fix 4. Switch networks. If the app code won't load inside the McDonald's, the public Wi-Fi may be lagging. You just have to turn off the Wi-Fi on your device. Use your device cellular data to refresh the app. Fix 5. Reinstall the app. You just have to press and hold the McDonald's app icon on your home screen. You just have to tap on uninstall for Android, or you can remove or delete the app from your iPhone. Then you just have to restart your phone completely and go back into your App Store or Google Play Store. You have to download the McDonald's app again and log in back into your account. Thanks for watching.